If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Howdy guys. Welcome back. The Honda Hotties back at it again. And today I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob batteries in your 3rd gen 2015 to 2020 Honda Fit. Now, I went to the dealership today, and I got my other key, my second spare key, and the battery in it's low, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace both keys today. Here's the battery part number you need. It's a 2032, and so let's get to it. Alright, so replacing the batteries in the key fob is extremely simple. You're going to push this little button right here, push it over, and slide out your key fob, your actual key. And then you're going to take your, probably best to use a pocket knife, but I can just gently pry on it and just kind of pop it apart. And I will say this, keep your lock and unlock button on the downside so you don't misalign them. I'm just going to lay this here, There's your battery. And now, look closely, you'll see positive is up. And that's exactly how you want it. When you put the new one in, put the positive up. So we're just going to reach in here, should be able to, and pop it loose. Ah, damn it. Let's see. Get my pocket knife out. And just gently pry, because it should not be that difficult. Oh, damn cunt. So, again, don't let your buttons fall out of whack. How the hell do I do this without screwing anything up? So let me try it again. Take your knife, get it up under the blade. That's not gonna work. So let's see. Well guys, let me Google it and see how to take the battery out. Alright guys, so we're just gonna take the key, just kind of gently. Ah, you son of a bitch. Ugh. This is what gets me irritated. Try not to pry up on the key, the buttons, and knock anything out of alignment. But it wants to be a damn cunt, so. Still not coming up. Try my knife again. Just gently get it up under there and pry. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now it's out. Okay. Now you're going to take your new battery. Now remember, when you took it out, positive up. So, these out of here, both of these, and just kind of out of the way, and then gently tear the backing off the back side. It wants to be a cunt. There we go. And then there you are. There's the new battery. Come out. Don't make me come in there and get you. Come on, damn it. Get it to pop the hell out of there. There we go. There we go now. Now, just maybe start fighting it stinking things wanna... Oh, come on now. Why? Oh, why do you gotta be a cunt? Okay, I see what it is. I see what it is. I didn't get it all the way in there. That's... Gotta split the case here, as they call it. Urgh. Come on. You dick. I'm gonna mess up the battery. Now. You wanna come out now, huh? You wanna come out now? You playing? There you go. That's what I thought. You gonna do what I say when I say it, you cunt. Alright, and then all you gotta do is take your new battery, positive side up, as you can see. Put it back down in there and push. Ah, come on, baby. Get in there. Be a dick. Should just... There we go. Problem solved. Everyone. So we just take your cover, put it back on, make sure it snaps all the way. And it did. The buttons. You can see the little red light. It's working. So you're going to take your key, stick it back in the hole. Key, stick it back in the hole, and good to go. There's one. And this is actually key number 1. So let's go to key number 2. Once again, we'll key out. Gently pry the two pieces apart, and alright, you cut. There we go. Now you're gonna take your, once again, take your knife, stick it up under the battery, and come on. Where you at? Wrong way. Wrong way. There you go. Ah, dick. There we go. Now, there's that one. Pop it on out. And where did the other... Right there. Okay. I got her. So now, split the plastic apart. Where are you? Right there. Ah, you dick. You want to be a cunt? Show you how good a cunt can be. Keep playing these dirty little games. Now. Alright. Alright, finally got it out. So, once again, positive side up. And just take it in and push real hard. And in you go. And I did buy the lithium batteries, as you'll see. The lithium cell, because the lithium lasts a lot longer than the alkaline, and so then you're just going to take everything, pop it back together, make sure it all lines up, and all but one little edge is lined up now. Come on, baby. Don't be a dick. Take it and line it up at the front, and everything should, in theory. Come on now. Don't do this. Don't be like this. Pop in. There we go. Everything's now popped in. Oh, you ass. Are you serious? Why aren't you working? You want to tell me that? Alright, so I finally got this one set right. it was sitting kind of cockeyed. It wasn't lined up, but as you can see, lock, unlock. So now you just gotta take everything, take your little cover. Once again, keep the buttons down so you don't misalign anything. And boom. So yeah, guys, as y'all saw, both the fobs got new batteries in them. Here's the old ones. And like I said, I did put lithium batteries back in because they last the longest. They last longer than the alkaline batteries do. So let's test them. Alright. So here's key number 1. Let's see. Unlock. Lock. Alright, that one works. And key number 2, 2 of 2. Lock. Unlock. So there you have it, guys. Both batteries and both keys have been replaced. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.